Hey, how's it going, YouTube? I'm here to talk to you today about a book that I've read recently called The Complete Turtle Trader by Michael W. Koval. It's a best-selling author of Trend Following. And, I'm interested in stocks. I'm learning how to become a successful investor. And I'll tell you a little, before I talk about this book, I'll tell you a little bit about over the last couple of years, what I've been trying to do. Completely ignorant of stocks. I had a 401k with my work. I took $500 and bought Twitter. I spent $500 on Twitter and didn't know, the concept I've heard my whole life about the stock market is, buy low, sell high. So that's what I did. I saw that Twitter was around $16, and I saw originally, 5 years previous, it used to be up at 50 something dollars. So I was like, well, I'll try it. So I gambled and put $500 on Twitter and just forgot about it. And within a year, it was up to around $42, $43. I think when I sold it, it was around $42, $43, and I made a little over $1,000. Over $500 total. My account would have, was like around $1,200. So I did the same thing, buy low, sell high. Try to look for it in a stock that had originally been high, and then now it was low, and thinking it was going to, come back up. So I did the same thing with GE. I saw GE was tanking, and it had gone from like $15, $16 to it was like down at $7. So I did that and bought GE last year and held on to it for a year. And now I just sold it a couple weeks ago, and it was up around $12, 11 something some change when I sold it. Made a couple $100 off that. And so, so the last couple of years I've turned, $500 initial investment an account to around, $1,300, $1,400 now, which, it's not bad. However, as far as, becoming a wealthy, financially independent on that, that's not going to happen anytime soon. But it was something interesting about this book, which brings me back to this book, which is based on a guy named Richard Dennis and the Turtle Traders, and what he was to accomplish. His claim to fame was Richard Dennis was that he took an account of a few $100s and turned it into a couple $100 million. And it seems really interesting because the concept of what they teach in this book is not buy low and sell high. It's buy high and then sell low. And so the main concept is trend surfing. And so you find a stock that's at a 4-week high, and then you buy it no matter what. You're just looking straight up at the price. So you buy the stock at the 4-week high and then just ride it till it dips down to a 2-week low. And they're saying that that's how they did it for all the different markets. Didn't matter what the stock was in or what the commodity was, or whether they're trading rice or gold or Twitter. Technically it shouldn't matter, that they're just trend surfing, trying to get that, ride the peak, and then as soon as it dipped a little bit, cut your losses. And so I haven't done that yet, as far as like I said, I've just done buy, hold, buy low, sell high. That's what I've done the last couple of years. But after reading this book, I'm going to try to do this. If anybody out there who has done it, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing really. But anybody out there who has read this, have any advice, please reach out to me, or leave a message of your advice, and over the next coming months, I will post more videos about the success that I've had, or failures that I've had. Try to level up, and yeah, I need all the help I can get. So, but it is a very interesting book because it's going against everything that I've heard of throughout my life involving the stock market. It's completely, the opposite, which is interesting. It just might work. It worked for Richard Dennis. Let's see if it'll work for Kyle Graves. All right, YouTube. Take it easy.